Vanakkam. Myself, I am Guru Makeshwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application. Today I am going to discuss about bank reconciliation statement and reason for differences. What is bank reconciliation statement? The bank reconciliation statement is prepared by the customer. The reason for preparing the BRS statement is to check whether the bank balance of the passbook and the bank balance of the cash book shows the same balance amount or not. This is the reason for preparing the BRS statement. When we are preparing the BRS statement, it shows any differences between the bank balance as per the passbook as well as the bank balance as per the cash book is to be known to the customer. The statement is also prepared by the customer. So many reasons may be reasons for differences between the bank balance as per the passbook as well as the bank balance as per the cash book. I am going to list out what are the reasons for differences for these two books differences. First reasons may be debit in the passbook and credit in the passbook, check issued, check receipt, and other reasons may be causes for these reasons. The first one, check issued. If suppose the customer issued a check but the check is not presented by the person, means our cash book balance show the minus balance when compared to the passbook bank balance. In this reasons, the bank passbook shows the over amount when compared to the cash book. This is one of the reason for difference between the cash book bank balance as well as the passbook bank balance. The second reason is check received. If suppose I have received any check from my customer, but I am entered only in the cash book bank balance side, but the banker didn't know whether I am received the check or not. In this case, I have entered the amount in the bank side, but the banker didn't credited in my account, because when I am submitted the check into the bank, then only the amount will be credited in my account. So in this case, the cash book bank balance shows the excess amount, but in the bank book shows the minus amount. This is another reason. And again, debit in passbook only. Yes, of course, in some reason, the banker may debit some of our amount in our account. For example, bank charges or any SMS sending. For this reason, they may be debit our account. Interest on overdraft. These charges is to be debited in our bank account, but these debit are without knowingly done by the banker. So in this reason, the customer didn't know. So in their cash book bank balance shows the excess amount compared to the bank passbook balance. So this is also one of the reason. And another reason, the credit in passbook only. It is opposite of debit in passbook only. In a debit in passbook, the banker debit our amount in our account. But in a credit in passbook, the banker may credit some investment, some dividend without announced to the customer. They credit to their account. In this case, the customer cash book bank balance shows the minus balance, but the customer bank balance as per the passbook shows the excess amount. So it may be cause the differences between the bank balance as per the passbook and also the bank balance as per the cash book. And another reason, standing instruction of customer. When at the time of opening an account, the customer may give some instruction to the banker for making some payment. Instead of the customer, the banker may pay the payment of the customers. In this case, the customer may forget to do the debit transaction in their cash book. In this case, the banker automatically debit the customer account, but the customer without knowingly, he didn't mention their own cash book bank balance account. So in this case also, the bank balance as per the cash book as well as the bank balance as per the passbook may differ. In other reasons, If suppose the check may be dishonored, the check may be omitted, wrong debit given by the banker, of course wrong credit given by the banker. These are some other reasons for difference between the bank balance as per the cash book and also the bank balance as per the passbook. These are the differences for bank reconciliation statement we are preparing. Thank you for watching. Thank you.